this episode of Inspiration Nation, we're going to start a new segment where we showcase our friends and followers' awesome rides. With that being said, this is our friend CJ's C6 Corvette, aka the third child. It's running an LSX 7-liter block with a Vortex supercharger, pushing north of 1,100 horsepower. This thing is an absolute monster. And it's setting on a set of 28-inch Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. And it's got the weld wheels. Now let's see what this corn-fed monster will do. Hit it, CJ.